Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your media files with Box detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Box website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Box account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Upload button to add your media files. Select the files you want to protect. Once uploaded, locate the files in your Box account. Click on the three dots next to the file name. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Permissions section. Here, you can adjust who has access to your files. Choose to make your files private or share them with specific individuals. Enable password protection for added security. Set an expiration date for access if needed. You can also use two-step verification for an extra layer of protection. Consider enabling file encryption for your sensitive documents. Once you have adjusted the settings, make sure to save your changes. Regularly review and update permissions as needed. Monitor your account for any unauthorized access. Utilize Box's version history feature to track changes in your media files. If you suspect any breach, change your password immediately. Using these steps, you can effectively protect your media files on Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.